to Noble Garage. So for this weekend, first we got to start by getting the ion out of here and bringing the wagon in, and then we can jack it up and get to work on the engine. So I don't know if this is going to work, but we've got the car on the pallet jack so that we can push it out onto the driveway. I don't know if this is going to work, but let's try. Alright, well that worked. Car's out. So there it is, sitting on the driveway. Now we bring the wagon in. Alright, well we got the wagon in here now, so I'm going to go ahead and we'll get the bumper off here and I think the hood off, and we'll get to work disconnecting stuff. Alright, so it's the next day now, but we got the car up. I opted to go with straps here onto the frame rails because the crash bar on this car wasn't as strong, I didn't think. Wave the back on ramps. So until we take the engine out, we have plenty of room underneath to work and do stuff. So now I'm going to get to work disconnecting and labeling wires and hoses. I'll give you an update when I've got some more progress done. Okay, we got the coolant draining. Check out the smog. Next is the fuse box and some of the engine hoses. Okay, I got everything disconnected. We got the pump jack here. So everything, we got the shifter cables down there, disconnected, fuel lines, all of the wiring, coolant hoses, AC, all undone. So now I'm gonna go under, and there is one frame bolt, as you can see. Right there. And then the other one is right there. So you'll get those undone. Alright, well we got her out. So we can pull her out now. Okay, so here it is. Everything's disconnected. Always more than you think to disconnect. So we're gonna go put this to the side in the garage, and next we can start playing around with the ion motor. Okay, so here they are sitting beside each other. So now comes the hard part. All the custom fabrication to make the redline motor fit into the wagon. Alright, well that's it for this weekend, guys. So we got the engine out of the wagon. It's a big step. So now comes the hard part where we got to do all the custom fabrication for the subframe adapters, steering, everything. So if you like the build, leave a like, a comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the project. Thanks for watching.
Take it easy.